Now, while reviewing e-bikes is a lot of fun, it comes at one giant cost: our garage. And not only is it filthy from our bikes, but what do we do with all the tools that we need to make it? Well, let me introduce you to your new best friend, the Mythinglogic tool organizer. Now, this thing was a breeze to put together, but here's what I love about this the most. You can have all your tools that you need out a lot, like a hammer, your drill, some different wrenches, stuff like that. And you don't need to make it look cluttered. I mean, I got a couple of things. This is literally just how it is right now. I'm in the process of reviewing some different bikes. But I used to have this giant thing all open, pardon the dust, and have all my tools hanging out. I'd have tools out. I mean, I've got a couple out even right here. And this is a great organization rack that will help you get more organized in your garage. And has a lot of different accessories, a lot of different ways you can put stuff up here, and all kinds of different ways to expand it. But it's awesome. If you need a good little rack to store your tools out in the open, I highly recommend this bad boy. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know below, and I hope to see you again real soon.